Okay, so we have a question on triangular arbitrage. Rupee dollar exchange rate is 73.05 rupees per dollar. Euro dollar exchange rate is 0.82, and Euro rupee exchange rate is 89 rupees per euro. This second part represents units in one, and this represents the number of units of this currency required to purchase 1 unit of this. So this term represents the number of rupees needed to purchase $1, number of euros needed to purchase $1, amount of the rupees that is needed to purchase 1 euro. This is at the time 1:32 p.m. So you have an amount of 1000 in hand. You have to calculate the arbitrage. Now there are two ways to do it. You either convert rupee to dollar, dollar to euro to rupees. Look, there is a thing we do not know initially, that which way we have the gain. So we have to calculate it. And if there is a gain in this way, then there is a loss in this way. If there is a gain in rupee to dollar to euro to rupee, then there is definitely a loss in this direction. So we start with 1000 rupees at hand. We convert this 1000 rupees into dollar, which is 13.68. We then convert it into euro, which is 11.225. And when we convert in it rupees using this 89, we get 999. So there is a loss of rupees 1. So if we choose this direction, rupee to euro to dollar to rupee, there is a gain. We start initially with 1000 rupees. We convert it into pound using this exchange rate. We then convert it into dollar, which is 13.70, and then multiplying 13.70 by this, we get 1001. So we initially invest 1000, we get 1001. So there is a gain of 1 rupee. So this is the way the arbitrager will follow.